Walking down the whiskey road, dusty dreams a heavy load. Night will fall where the sunlight fades. Hearts are wandering aimless strays. Old guitar and a lonesome tune. Stars will light the prairie moon. Feet are tired but the spirit's high. Whiskey roads we drank the sky. Dusty dreams and open plains. Aching hearts with no restraint. Finding hope in a sip so deep. On whiskey roads we sow and reap.
ಟನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವೈರ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ದಿಸ್ತ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಪಡೆ
ಎಂತಿಗೆ ಟನಲ್
Aching hearts with no restraints. Finding hope in a sip so deep. On whiskey roads we sow. Every shadow tells us so. Dusty dreams.
iyo
किड्स देखा ना बॅक स्ट्रीम हा करत ऍक्सिडेंट झाले क्रॅश इट्स अ बॅकवर्ड क्रॅश what this guy is doing. Baba has to carry this luggage. Hey, not there. This side, guys.
why
Oh yeah.
But here you are, my own.
Yana come on.
Through every storm, through skies of gray, you make it brighter every day. Thank you for everything, my love.
Hey kids. Munna.
ನಾವು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ
Jakey.
I hope forever it stays true. I don't need riches, I don't need gold. Your hand
big rock there. You see that?
Yeah, that's our captain that has gold.
If tomorrow fades, I won't be
Fabian tunnel.
as long as I through highs and lows.
It's a wonderful line of the year.
Now where are we going? To the glacier point. Baba, glacier point होतो कसा?
इथे टनल यूज झाले मामा.
आणि कसं मग
I'm blessed to walk this road with you, and I hope for
Kaya ito.
Um,
Half dome.
half dome. This is half dome,
Okay.
and people are climbing up there in half dome.
Yeah, I can see some tiny people over there.
And there's
Anga pala. And where is my Jakey boy? Jakey boy is here.
and there's upper point.
Tabre tapta. Sunglass nakataya. Ale re munna anga pala.
Hello, there guys, the bus today.
Mommy. That pine of the lunch. Tired family. Munna anga pala.
I'm tired.
Mommy.
I'm tired, Papa.
I'm fine, Jakey. Jakey boy. Hey, Jakey boy.
I'm going to waterfalls, and I
Come.
just found a rattlesnake, but I want to find a cougar right now.
Nanda beach side aade. Mama. Pura sale. Munna.
Yay!
Munni. Jakey boy. Jakey boy. Ah.
She thought it was funny that I'd fall that fast, but we talked for hours and the time just passed. She said, "You're kinda bold, but I like that too." And I knew right then what I had to do. Drove down south that Saturday with a wild
Wow.
quiet, but it stole the show. It was love at first shot, didn't take much, just a photo in the light, and I felt that rush. Now I'm sitting on her porch watching stars above, holding on tight to
Full climbing kele mamman. Wala nga Jakey boy. Hi Jakey boy. Aja.
with her. She's more than I dreamed. A photo led me to everything I need. Funny how fate can find its way through pixels and prayers on an ordinary day. Some love begins with sparks.